Solving equations with 0, 1, or infinitely many solutions. In your Aleks pie, mouse over the light green slice, Linear Equations and Inequalities, to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Solving Equations with 0, 1, or infinitely many solutions. Here's an example problem. For each equation, choose the statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. Let's click Explain. So this is the original problem, and we have two equations here. The first one is 4 times parentheses v plus 1 end parentheses plus v equals 5 times parentheses v minus 1 end parentheses plus 9. And then our options for an answer are either no solution, or we can mark this one which solves for v, so v would equal a number, or mark all real solutions. And the same thing for this second equation. And so if we get an answer where there's no solution, an example of that would be the given equation, or what we get when we try to solve that equation, is a contradiction. So that would be if we end up with two numbers equal each other. And so that would be like 3 equals 4. And since 3 does not equal 4, that would be a contradiction. Therefore, we would mark no solution. Or we would get an answer where there's exactly one solution, so we would be able to solve for the variable. And we would just mark that one and type in what it equaled. So v equals 5 or whatever. The third option is all real numbers are solutions. It says the given equation is an identity. And so if we get an answer that's true, like 4 equals 4, that's a true statement, so we would mark all real numbers are solutions, because we could get 4 equals 4, 5 equals 5, 6 equals 6, whatever. And so it's different from solving for a variable where v equals 5. That's just one solution. But basically, a true statement would be all real numbers, and a false statement, like 3 equals 4, we would mark no solution. And so here they walk us through solving these equations. So we end up with 0 equals 0. And it says that last line is true because it doesn't involve solving for v. It is true for all values of v. Therefore, all real numbers are solutions. And then this one, go through using the distributive process to solve and combining like terms. We get negative 7y equals 14. Divide both sides by negative 7. And so y equals negative 2. And so then there's only one solution for this one, y equals negative 2. And so here's how those would be marked. All real numbers are solutions, and then when you mark this one, it just has y equals, then you'd have to type in negative 2. Let's try another one. For each equation, choose the statement that describes its solution. If applicable, give the solution. Here are my notes. The first equation, 2 times parentheses v plus 1 end parentheses plus 4v equals 3 times parentheses 2v minus 1 end parentheses plus 8. And so then I'm going to attempt to solve this. And so I use the distributive property, combine like terms, and right here, when I have 6v on this side and 6v on this side, that's kind of a red flag, but I'm going to go ahead and show this anyway. 6v minus 6v on both sides. So then you end up, so then all that's left is a whole number on one side and a whole number on the other. And so we get 2 equals 5, which is false. And so on that one, I need to mark no solution. My second equation, 3 times parentheses x minus 2 end parentheses plus 5 equals 2 times parentheses 3x minus 5 end parentheses. And so then use the distributive property to drop the parentheses, combine the like terms, and so then I get to 3x minus 1 equals 6x minus 10. Subtract 3x from both sides, I get negative 1 equals 3x minus 10, add 10 to both sides, get 9 equals 3x, divide both sides by 3, and 3 equals x. And so there's only one solution for this problem, and so I'm going to mark one solution and fill in 3 where it says x equals. If I would have gotten an answer that was like 3 equals 3, that being a true statement, then I would mark all real numbers are solutions. But that didn't end up being a solution for either one of these. But I still wanted to mention it. In my Aleks screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes. No solution for this one. And x equals 3 for this one. And click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.